Так, раз, ийлер да. Так, раз, ийлер да. Ja. Так, зуган хаулахан болуун хеп. Оны Хайдахпын өрмөбүт боллар. Дара, тахастак кем келле. Супер седукер. Жесткая не, короче, бу. Это жесткая не будет. Короче, симулятор тух тилим болалдыр. Воскетария да, ииллер. Воскетария манны гонюнун yok канал билген. Көрөкбүт тө хатан тө сөдүк кайрепини. Короче. Хатан кем сөйт ду окуп жемелек надо. Где-то маннык болду, это нормальный бітті маннык. Короче, бон ютубынан кубахтут какан келергинде. Начать игру ехал, короче, рады. Ханныгла вот да. Эпизод 1, девушка на улице, все девушки... маны бар. Короче, мана стайпом бар, который был. Первое свидание Кейт, офис, Қас кыз бар еді, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 кыз бар. Девушка на улице, погнали. Здорово, Колян. Описание эпизода. Бон ютубында табын, короче, кыргыттары өйден ектіп бардын. Исследовал 0%. Хегім яғым өлі хауат әме, мен тоқ ондығыл яқ мастер пикаперин ботақпын. Оригін хегеме маны тоқайын, бұл маны хурьярым. Үшедік көмілі хауат қайы. Так, ты идешь по улице, но тут твой взгляд привлекает девушка. Сможешь ли ты остановить ее, вовлечь в разговор и сделать так, чтобы она захотела увидеть тебя снова? Цель назначить свидание на прямо сейчас. Ну все, играет. Ладно, музыка такой амбаль. Дядя. Наконец-то. Будем. Оля, вот так. Айка. Дядя. Кастыр дешедік. Дядя. Аре бұл манны қамын яғыт, күз барын ер, оны хебістек тақыт. Оны мен сатан бістепін. Так, бұл әлі. Дәр қадақ тибірі да. Подойти спереди, дем, арап. Подойти спереди. Притвориться слепым. Притвориться слепым. Восхищенно свистнуть. Подойти спереди и немного сбоку. Идти рядом. Йоу, девчуля, как дела, девпытне? Қанғылы бұты манны қол бұра. А, С, Е, Б, Д, Ф қол бұра. Погоданы ит. Погода ден хуақ. Быден подойти спереди и немного сбоку ден. Выйти выден, точнее. Быден, да бастықы подойти спереди. притвориться слепым, хэмэнна харакпытын хэмэнна хаявак хатан көрбөппүт уонна очоны көмөлхөннөр иңдеп кудук. Восхищенно свистнуть те таккана диктовал, да? Хаддара были товары были кулуккейн, это хаддара это. Не то бабулы. Вот идти рядом дем бар. Йоу, девчули, как дела? Так, бастыка. Подойти спереди, бастыка. Ча, давай, бастыка, на баттаты. Ча, подда, погнали. Яра?
That's correct. When you stop a girl on the street, you need to be directly in front of her and also leave enough space so that she can slow down and comfortably stop.
Замедлиться и остановиться. Так. Короче, швейвит. Бастан швейду барнев. Я увидел тебя и решил сказать, что ты выглядишь очень элегантно. Мы, кажется, встречались на занятиях по йоге, да? Мы учились в одном университете, день. Да? Будет нормальный, дорога. У тебя есть минутка, дихтапы? Ты очень красивая, я хочу тебя, девять. О, маны, ты очень красивая, я хочу тебя. Соска лежит рядом, девять. Б. У тебя есть минутка, девять, да? Олата, Евгений, Джу Бордан, Б, девять. Сейчас давай, у тебя есть минутка, девять. Я барты сюда к стороны, Б, индемит. Так, у тебя есть минутка, девять. Хотя, тухтаре. Я увидел тебя и решил сказать, что ты выглядишь очень элегантно. Мы, кажется, встречались на Запаю. Вот у тебя есть минутка где-то когда тем барзу батта колора. Би минуты берам где-то кан колбара тухтен хеп болады. Чаксане барды минден хеп. Механа бар дигина бу учой бгалах. Или ахеп, или еданы сыданы иккендер би соустар. У тебя есть минутка где хаддара? Нет, конечно. Хаддара творек бахастыка бал. У тебя есть минутка где тух пау так хаддар. Катчык дары тинкам кевудукта. Ким кайда там ким мен кайдам Александр Миронов. Мен болла мен. Еда барем сөп дебиттер. Народ. Джулстан, стример наш победил. Мы учились в одном университете. Вопрос. Че болу манык дека?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't you used to go to this college over here? I'm sure I recognize you.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, I was sure. What was it? Drama class?
I did take drama? I don't remember you.
I knew it. I knew you looked familiar.
How long ago?
What was it? I don't know, 6 years or something, right?
Not for me, but at school we had both took drama.
Так,
This is okay. You can say
это неплохо. Ты можешь сказать, что, кажется, видел ее на йоге или вы из одного университета. Может и сработать, знаешь.
So what's your plans for today?
I'm actually going to the park to feed the squirrels with my friend.
What? Feed squirrels?
Yeah.
Покормить белок?
No, just the squirrels.
These little guys, yeah?
Yeah, we got them to be our friends.
What do you feed them? Like hot dogs? Almonds?
Yeah.
That's their favourite, is it?
It seems to be.
That's nice. Well, they're really cute, aren't they?
They are very cute.
You like animals?
Fun. I do.
Nice. That sounds fun, actually. I never thought of that. But buy some almonds, go feed the squirrels.
You should try it sometime.
Okay.
And what are you doing today?
Чем ты так, Яра? Задавать такие, Улай ката бухрига кай бит дебит бой убай дебит Александр Миронов мактал бу тугуй сихили бу хари жустан. Бу короче тух бу кыз тоғыторонью. Короче бу манна тух теккаби. Бу манна короче кыгыт тахатан төчөдүк билсяганы ду хатан или неудачникин ду или мачевикин ду хайдахту. Короче бу тестонью. Короче мы проверяем Каддага эбиппини холбор мен хатам бисереппин вакты холбор бу гаттади мен парка барын жемдебета белкалары ахата барын жемдета онтон миттен итат эн туту бланнахын ден хап он мен этабын задавать такие вопросы чтобы говорила преимущественно она бу эппетти тумота говорить преимущественно самому ты такая красивая я хочу тебя поцеловать наклониться для поцелуя. Это не вариант, Так. Задавать такие вопросы, чтобы говорила преимущественно она. Тебя лаханарларны блюлер бу. Это где-то кинемыслен агаринку дуполапте. Олин так что манны кыныхка. Задавать такие вопросы, чтобы говорила преимущественно она.
Do you live local around here somewhere?
Ты живешь в этом районе?
That's nice.
Да.
And do you spend a lot of
Здорово,
time in this
много
area?
времени здесь проводишь.
I do, yeah.
Да,
There's a
много.
nice coffee shop just
Есть
down there. Have you
неподалеку
been there?
кофейня.
I
Ты
have,
была там?
but I'm going
Да,
to
но
meet a friend
сейчас я
actually,
должна
so I need to
встретиться с
go.
подругой,
Okay,
поэтому
what's her
мне
name?
нужно идти.
Is it
А
a
как
he
ее
or
зовут?
she?
Это он или она?
In the beginning, the girl actually
Вначале
shouldn't do
беседы
most of the
совсем...
talking, so you don't want to ask a bunch of questions. You want to make statements and do most of the talking yourself.
Пока. Тоқта, задавай ей побольше вопросов девять. Говорить преимущественно самому дихтай. Питолата? Я хочу тебя поцеловать на харджик. Идет разные колницы для поцелуя. Чего лу мана подпил почем?
I was just walking. There's a nice park down there, and then I'm going to meet some friends, but I've got like 40 minutes, and that's why when I saw you, and I
У
thought
меня
you
есть
looked
где-то
friendly,
40
so that's
минут.
why
Когда я
I came
тебя
over
увидел,
and
то
said
подумал,
hi.
что ты приветливая.
Okay.
In the early stages of an
В начале вашей
interaction, you
беседы
actually
именно
do
ты
want to
должен
make
стараться
most of the
поддерживать разговор,
conversation so
чтобы
that
у
she has
нее
a
была
chance to
возможность
relax,
расслабиться.
get comfortable talking
Привыкнуть
to
к
you,
тебе и перестроиться
snap
с
out of the
мысли
mindset
о
that
том,
she was
куда
in,
она
thinking
шла
about
и
what she's
зачем,
doing
на
and
мысли
where
о
she's
тебе и
going.
вашей
So that's the
беседе.
right one.
Отличный
We might
выбор.
hire some bikes and go
Ну да.
riding around the park. There's like a nice spot where they rent out bikes and it's on the lake. And all
Yeah,
of that.
but you ride bikes in that?
Well, I'm English. You know what we do, like the penny farthing and the suit on and
Okay.
sitting really up straight.
That's very
No,
fancy for bikes.
I will change. I will
Okay.
change. Yeah.
Так, доктор, нет, я Доктор, тоқтейді бітті, теата. Қандар бара өттетілер, да провал года. Доктор, наға провал ботақ, провал демен. Амбе, сексигір кіттір сыталылар батта, дейбіт. Так, а то он такой, бүтін хүйняқтық, бүтін не надо, он бары да бихитта тұлықта. Так, рассмотреть ее серьги, чтобы дотронуться до нее. Сережка, лах, ага. Найти повод, чтобы снять рубашку и продемонстрировать свои мускулы. Угу. Спросить ее совета насчет стрижки. Начать трогать себя, чтобы завести ее. Спросить, чем она занимается, потому что выглядит креативно. Спросить, чем она занимается, потому что выглядит креативно. Дотронуться до нее. Найти повод, чтобы снять рубашку и продемонстрировать свои мускулы. Это вообще не вариант. Спросить ее совета насчет стрижки. Насчет стрижки бятнкин, да. Начать трогать тебя один ваших верханий, чтобы завести ее. Нет. Это ей не понравится. Спросить, чем она, потому что выглядит креативно. Давайте вот так. Давайте вам так булах так.
And tell me what you do, because you look a bit artistic.
Финал утияллар.
Well, I actually work in non-profit
Bilden
charity. Yeah.
I like making profit, so that's...
No,
I'm joking. I work in IT, but
Okay.
no, that's cool.
IT,
So you're not
that's
so focused on money, you like doing good things.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Thanks.
I'm focused on money. No.
That's fair.
Because IT can be creative too, so...
Sure. Yeah.
Asking what someone does is that
Вопрос
kind of
работы это
usual
очень
question that
банальный
we
вопрос.
always
Все задают
ask,
поэтому
but
в этой
in this case, you
ситуации
want to make a guess, make
тебе
an
нужно
assumption, it
попробовать
makes it a
угадать.
little bit more interesting. And if you choose something to do with fashion or art, it's always a compliment for a woman because it kind of says that she has style.
Олата? Так, тоқта. Туғыр дейті. Күйе қалғыратын дейті, туқ дейті. Короче, балабол дядя. Че. Так, пока тоқта. Бастан киспут пока как кастомакадер. Так что все нормально. Пока что... Чугай, ты замужем ден? Хана бистем раз ты замужем ден хаддавит олдар ден представить-то. Большой вариант был спросить, как ее зовут, ответить, что тебя зовут так же. Как ее зовут, ответить, что тебя зовут так же. Заглянуть ей под юбку. Чабыть. Веранда. Да. Да, ден батыхтымата. Заглянуть ей под юбку ден веранда. Так, спросить, как ее зовут. Джабер баттан көріп қалар, так. Бітті. Шансу қала. Д. Си. Д. Юбкатын көр дебіттір. Юбкатын байкөтті көріп қылы менен жабыға. Атақ уже гнам барын. Ну, прикольно вот.
Hey, you've got something on your foot there. Let me just get it.
Hey, what the fuck?
Чау.
True gentleman.
Старший джентльмен. Так, никоматыр. What the fuck? Представиться декот-то. Раза ты замужем дирку хамбулах так явно.
My name is Richard, by the way.
Hey, nice to meet you.
And your name?
Alexa.
It's good that you have a name. I was just waiting for it a while, but it's good that you have one.
Thanks.
rather than just asking her name, you can always introduce
имя,
yourself.
нужно
It's a little
представиться
bit different
самому,
to
это
what most
отличается
guys
от того,
do,
что мы
and
обычно
it's a
делаем,
positive
но это более
difference.
правильный подход.
What kind of things do you like to do in your
Что
free
тебе
time?
нравится делать в свободное время?
I actually don't have a
Вообще-то у
lot
меня
of
не
free
так много
time.
свободного
I work
времени, я
a lot,
работаю.
so when I'm
Я
not
много
working, I like
работаю,
to be
поэтому выходные
outside.
люблю проводить на воздухе.
Yeah, I try to be outdoors
Да,
as
я
much as
стараюсь
possible. I
почаще
actually
бывать на
bike before you
природе. Вообще я
mentioned.
очень люблю велосипед,
Yeah, I
окей?
just try to be
So you
outside.
one
Я
of these
стараюсь за
active
воздухом.
people
То
that's
есть ты
always
где-то
doing
где всегда чем-то
Yeah, it's hard
занят.
for me to
Да,
stay
мне
sitting
сложно
down.
сидеть на одном
Not
месте.
couch potato.
Не с дивана,
Well, every now and then, but in general, no,
в
more
целом
active
люблю
than
активный
down.
отдых.
I'm kind of
Понятно, а
semi-active.
я полуактивный, смеется.
Like I do
Я
some
люблю
active stuff, but
активный
actually I
отдых, но
prefer it
я
when
предпочитаю,
you
когда
know someone else
кто-то
plans
другой
everything and
организует,
they're like, come to
планирует
this,
и
and I
потом
always say
говорит,
yes.
приходи.
Okay.
Я всегда
Given the
соглашаюсь.
choice, I often just chill at home.
Но
I like
fair.
chilling.
люблю расслабляться. Ладно, я расслабляюсь дома где-то. Могу я попросить у тебя номер телефона? Пока отдавала, потому заинтересовать ее одним из своих хобби. Это нормально. Слушай, мне нужно встретиться с друзьями, но я хотел бы увидеться с тобой снова. Оставишь мне свой номер? Мне нравится, как ты непринужденно выглядишь. Ненавижу, когда девушка старается выглядеть слишком хорошо. Ладно, Хайдах. Еще и переменный датум, ага. Манныка ханнык текка сэмэр дебиттер. Макс дораба дебит. Соски лежат дораба сэмэр дебиттер. Еще раз д. Мне нравится, как ты непринужденно выглядишь. Ненавижу, когда девушка старается выглядеть слишком хорошо. Могу я попросить тебя... Слушай, мне нужно встретиться с друзьями, но я хотел бы увидеться с тобой снова. Оставишь мне свой номер? Или заинтересовать ее одним из твоих хобби? Номер не тергетте болу, да? Си дебиттер. Си, заинтересовать ее одним из твоих хобби. Давай, Си. Понятно.
You know, like on these walls.
I've heard of it. I've always wanted to, but I
Я
haven't
всегда
yet.
хотела
You know, it's very
попробовать,
cool.
но
We've got
знаешь, это
some
правда
place that we go to. I've only been like 4 times, but it's really fun. Very good exercise and just really cool. So you should definitely try it.
Yeah, I would like to.
When you're speaking to girls, it's good to be passionate about something, and a good choice is something you love to do, a hobby. Now, why don't you see if you can go out and sell someone on it, make it so that they're smiling like, yeah, I'd like to do that. That sounds great. So it's the right option in this case.
Okay, so you said you like biking and rock climbing.
Yeah.
Any other like outdoor activities?
Yeah, loads of stuff. Racket sports.
Like tennis?
Yeah, tennis and also squash. You know what squash is?
It's the English thing. I don't know.
I mean, most
about it, no.
sports were invented in England, obviously, but I think they play it everywhere. It's like when you're usually inside and you've got a wall like in front, to the sides, and in the back, and you can hit the ball like anywhere. And I think it's the best exercise. You're constantly running and
Yeah, it sounds
it's very cool.
kind of dangerous, but fun.
No, it's fine. It's fine. The ball is only like that big, so even if it hits you, it's not too bad.
Okay.
You can smash each other with the rackets, but rarely happens. You should try it.
I might sometime. You said you work in IT?
Так, ты говоришь, что ты айтишник, капитан. Сказать, что ты модель нижнего белья. Потом постараться потрогать ее попку. Я думаю, вас явно девятый полухта. Программист, но это очень скучно и тебе не понравится. Сказать, что ты рекрутер моделей. Нет, программист увлеченно сказать про это. Программист, но перевести разговор на философию жизни. Да что и было. Программист, айтишник типа, но да, олох тугунан. Хотя олох тугунан кестелерны билдер, да, как говорится. А так бы мечой. Но это очень скучно. Программист пынгаман таскавая, короче, и тебе не понравится. Б или Д. Б или Д. А директор сказать, что ты модель нижнего белья, потом постараться потрогать ее попку. Ну вот так путно доктор. Уже ну вот так путно доктор. Тух по спойлер было. Ну вот так кача было. Что ты модель нижнего белья, потом постараться потрогать ее попку. Шанс берелерни. Надеюсь, там барбаты не.
Yeah, I work in IT, but I'm also an arse model. Look, check it out.
Come on.
Look at that. What do you think?
It's nice.
Good, yeah?
Sure.
Have a touch.
No.
Put your hand on it. Don't be shy. Come on.
I'd rather not.
You can, really. It's okay.
No.
Look, I can touch you. You can
Oh my
touch
God,
me.
no, you can't. No, you can't.
I could get your job. this was going okay until you tried to touch her. You know, a girl is not ready at that time for that kind of sexuality, and you can't really get anywhere by rushing that fast.
Ну вот. Так, тоқта. Жабы жоңгытте. Ол тыйтан көрдүн, туғата хуақ. Так, программист это, но это үшін туқ текқа. Рекрутер моделей, я блю. Программист, например, вести разговор на философии жизни, короче.
Yeah, I work in IT, but I wouldn't say that it's my passion. I think that in life it's important, you know, earning money is one thing, but really what's important is, you know, your social connections with other people, friends, family, developing yourself. So, because there are so many important things that we forget about, and the career really is just a small part of life, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
You agree?
Yeah, I do.
If you really hate the question, what do you do? Because your job's really boring, then it's very easy to say, you know, I do this, but that's not important, and talk about something that you're really passionate about, something that you really care about, something that's really interesting to you. The key is not to kill the conversation by saying something that is just boring and shows that you don't have anything going on in your life. So turn it around and do this if you don't like your job.
So do you always stop girls in the street?
Так, а ты часто, вот, буквально. А ты часто вот это волосатый очкарик пикапер. Вот этот чертов ублюдок с очками пикапер. Волосатый очкарик пикапер, да. Пикапер девит хатер. Лайк таваттан олар девит тахтара. Сумия бай мандыгыр бай кәшәзе турбаттар бу. Че болдун ата кәшәтне. Ата кәшәпә болактардан. Они да хок болар бу такта. Болдун. Вообще-то довольно часто. Тухтете, это уже уместно. Тухтете. Это кыс. Тухар где-то. А, ты всегда останавливаешь девушек где-то. Интернат кто там где-то. Вообще-то довольно часто. Эти вас нет. Нет, конечно, нет никогда. Не слишком часто, но когда мне нравится кто-то, и я одинок, то почему бы и нет? Ох, а там мат. Только если они выглядят так, как будто очень хотят быть оттраханными. Зайка. Эй, да дехтерен. Моя байоман. Так. Кайыққа. Вы мечу беда, имеет аутокер, но не слишком часто. Эгаман имеет ана там бидемета тохтутачун девку дополал. Нет, конечно, нет никогда. Где маши да кид. Как будто очень хотят быть оттраханными, то одякай. Вообще-то довольно часто имеет там. Нет, конечно, нет никогда. О, чаман никак пана анал бентик бавала бки, билиэхпит туар били ласпет им хамин. Кадам дополал. От чона наоборот хариен хап. Я одинок. Бу манна биги сига боллана биги хоодок бутун билдер. Хоодок бутун билдер дакпытна вроде как бы тох кудук пон такат бу. Олата мен намыкта хеп болла. Ты мне нравишься, я одинок, тем лата мен кергеним даны кыгым да хуктен билдерер. Подтверждай дам бере. Так что манна однозначно си. Прямой зверь ди. Дины хаяман. А так просто тебя баттан көрөбүттө. Чабаттан көрөккай.
Well, you know what? There's a special quality I look for, and I would only stop girls if they have that exact thing. So it's quite, you know, something special going on. Do you want to know what it is, the quality?
Yeah, I do.
Well, it's just when the girl just looks like she's dying to be fucked. And basically...
Excuse me?
Yeah, like she's just ready to bang right there and then.
No, that's vulgar. That's really vulgar.
Vulgar?
Yes.
No?
Yeah.
That's totally cool in the game, but in real life, I must tell you that you shouldn't even swear at girls, never mind getting sexual. As a man, you have a responsibility to treat women with respect and always make sure that they feel better after the interaction with you than they did before. No matter how rude they are, they've got a right to be rude. And if they're not rude, then even more reason to be polite and make them feel good.
Так, короче, мандык текка. Бу си дем, хэ? Си булык.
No, not often at all, but I think when I'm single, when I like the look of someone, I figure why not start a conversation, because you never know what will happen.
Yeah.
Could become friends, could date, or just have a nice interaction. Why not, right?
Definitely.
This is the right choice because actually it's honest and it's disarmingly honest. So it's going to take her back a little bit, but it's going to also show that you're telling the truth, that she can trust you, and show that you're confident enough to say that instead of making up some rubbish. So it's the right choice. Well done.
Так, послушай, у меня есть пара минут. Почему бы нам не выпить кофе? Отлично, Чуэй. Оставить ей свой номер. Тоже вариант. Послушай, мне надо встретиться с друзьями, но я хотел бы... Слушай, я живу недалеко, и вся квартира в моем распоряжении. Рад вас, папа. Аяка. Бучой была. Доктор, у меня есть пара минут. Почему бы нам не выпить кофе?
Listen, I've got a few minutes right now, so do you want to just grab a coffee? What do you say?
Yeah, okay.
Great.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Барстоват? Мастер пикапет.
The very best result in the daytime is to go for the instant date. So that's correct. Well done. If you just leave and get the number, that's okay. But it's much better if you can say, listen, I've got time now. Why don't we do something quickly? Notice that it's just a quick thing. So it's quite easy to say yes to.
Результаты супер
That's
соблазнитель.
correct. When you stop a girl on the street, you need to be directly in front of her and also leave enough space so that she can slow down and comfortably stop. This is okay. You can say things like, you're from my yoga class, you're from my college. Might be okay. Not bad.
Супер соблазнитель, он не вот так.
In the early stages of an
30%.
interaction, you actually do want to make most of the conversation.
Так, следующий уровень. Холограмм бит. Играет разовая лаунж-музыка. Автоматически где кофе? Да кофе впитал, да. Квартира идёт баты пыхлах. Каталакат сеулар идде девиттер, дораба мёхтлер до девиттер. Так, как ты растопишь лёд? Икки гыттер улады, бигор обет, икки гыттер. Спросить, говорят ли они о тебе, при отрицательном ответе спросить, почему нет. Спросить, знают ли они, что тебе нравится в девушке? Ответ будет твой член. Показать его. Попросить помочь с выбором подарка для подруги. Сказать, что ты узнал ее, вы учились вместе. Незаметно подкрасться из-за дивана. Незаметно подкрасться из-за дивана. Что ты узнал ее, вы учились вместе. Так, команданы талавты Джара. Джара, мастера пикапа. Лайк, баттан, доктор. Лайк. Нажимайте. Так. Джара, синий баттан каравитта. Александр Миронов, Си-9, Семенов, В9. Сказать, что узнал ее, вы учились вместе. Си. Джара, синий просто баттыджак. Он-то bir шанс бар биттем bir. Джара?
So did that guy who you went out the other day called you back? No.
Yeah, what up, girls?
It's fine.
Hey.
I like
You
him.
too. Hey. Listen, do you know what I really, really like in a girl?
Surprise me.
My dick.
Surprise!
Surprise!
How
Surprise! Happy
smart.
surprise!
How smart. Does it work?
Does it work? It works very well. Don't need anything. It's ready now to work if you like.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna prove?
Prove it.
Yeah.
maybe.
Show us how it works.
Okay. Well, look, you ready for a big surprise?
Oh, the big one.
Whoop! Check it out.
Not so big, sorry. What's wrong with him? I don't know.
They call me Big Richie and stuff.
I don't know. I'm sorry. I never wanted to hurt your feelings, you know.
I work it as well.
We're fine, really. Thank you.
Got my confidence, to be honest. You were just
Sorry, I didn't mean that, but
Alright, well, this is shit anyway. Thank you for ruining my whole life.
no problem. Anytime. Bye.
Никогда не
Funny, please. The first funny guy in this.
So
that's exactly what you should. No, it's not. Please never do anything like that. Don't send dick pics. Don't talk about your dick. Don't show nothing to do with your dick until you're in your house or her house after she's agreed to come back with you. She likes you. You've kissed a bit. You know what I mean? Way later, and with everything going really, really well. Otherwise, no dicks.
я. Ордахан атом коммутастлер, тахтар, еще сказать, что узнал ее, вы учились вместе. Так, незаметно подкрасить из-за дивана. Бомет уорк люлях пылах, незаметно подказал, не секунду, типа, спросить, говорят ли они о тебе, при отрицательном ответе спросить, почему нет. Помочь с выбором подарка для подруги. Он те подламни, отчана олата подругалах, помбиллер подламни. Незаметно подкрасить за дивана девита. Мать маран каллина. Бетта, незаметно хостук каллинча.
This place? Why not? You just got here, you know? Let's just give it a chance. We will have a drink and see who's here.
Кадр был, ваш.
Hey
Get
girls,
out of me.
how's it going, girls?
Get out.
Маньяк руки. Зайка.
Don't be creepy. It's just not a good way to go.
Довольно
But in the
жутковато.
game, you know, cool. Well done. Well done for choosing the creepiest choice in the game.
Так. Сказать, что узнал ее, вы учились вместе. Чаба, ну где камер? Вы учились вместе, вот это? А мне мама, типа, он кайыкка вот надо было так.
Oh, it's you from school. How are you? Oh, what's your name again? Rebecca?
No.
Michelle?
No.
What was it? Remind me.
I don't know.
No, we went to school together, don't worry.
I don't remember
Yeah, you were
you.
that girl in class, you were like sitting in the back throwing things and stuff.
I was not doing
Yeah, it was
that.
definitely you. What's
No.
your name again?
Anastasia.
That's it, I knew it.
Really?
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
your name?
Richard. You remember me? Anyway, it's cool, we went to school together. So
Really?
That's the nice thing. You can introduce me
That's
to
a
your
little bit
friends.
creep, you know?
Creepy?
Yeah, because you're sitting, coming up here next to us and sitting, telling us we went to school together.
Babe, we went to school for years together.
Комедия в
Hard
итоге.
only later, right? So I don't really know you.
Good
Do you know this guy?
Иди маньяк был.
You know, please. Stop
And were you at the school with us as well? I think you were.
No. Just leave us. Yeah, we're kind of in the middle of conversation.
Пожалуйста,
Well,
уходи.
no, I'm in the middle of you.
No, I don't think so.
You're not very friendly, are you?
No.
It's kind of rude, isn't it? I'm just being
Maybe.
sociable. Alright, I won't see you at the school reunion.
Значит,
I don't know. Have you seen him anywhere? No, I don't know. Such an old line, you know. That's so boring. You know, such a creep. You should get out of here. I don't know. I don't like this place. You should go.
You know how in court the lawyer never asks a question or says something that might lead somewhere that he's not prepared for? Well, it's the same like this. When you're giving her an opportunity to say no and dismiss you, it's usually a bad thing. So, bad choice.
понятно. Так, Олат иккер выбор хала. Так. Кайыкка спросить, говорят ли они о тебе при отрицательном ответе. Багато биге бит китик маньяк холс быгылах бит хаддары. Дигне маннык үшө бат кетети болла. Да ханат тана пола бит. Да ахара настаивать дейт полар дейт. Так же нельзя. Так что киевик китик ту холс быгылах. Кырдык маньякская холс киевила. Попросить помочь с выбором подарка для подруги. Ох. Подругалах вот чаун мана кайре бит. Ана кайык.
Like anyone here?
Это было так китет.
Where do you want to go next? We can just change. Please.
Yeah, let's wait maybe 5 minutes and
Yeah, we'll have a drink and then just
Hey girls, you talking about me?
No.
Well, why not?
Why should we?
That's a great subject.
You think?
Yeah. Probably that's number one, and then number two would be about guys, and number three about shopping. Like top three subjects.
But talking about you as a man, talk as well.
Yeah, I combine all three, and I go shopping, so you can just talk about me the
okay.
whole time. We'll be fine. That's correct. Nice one. It's
Верно, отлично.
cool,
Это
funny line,
главная
you know,
шутка.
in the bar, ideally, you
типа
want to get
шутка, да,
girls
мне кажется.
laughing very fast, right? And be more interesting than their boring conversation that they were having before you came. So this is a nice light opener. Again, need to deliver it with a little bit of a smirk and a smile, not seriously, and it will work well most of the time. So how do you know each other?
From school.
From school?
Yeah, like university.
University.
Yeah, college.
Not school like 5 years old.
No.
Okay. And so you were in the same class or something, yeah?
No, we studied different classes.
Okay, let me guess. So I think that you studied fashion and I think you studied drama. Is that exactly right?
No, opposite.
The opposite.
So
Oh, you studied
opposite.
fashion and she studied drama.
No.
I studied economics.
Yeah, I studied business.
Okay,
Yeah, so it's has nothing to do with drama and fashion.
not really.
Not really.
Так, с театром и модой улить это, да? Связать это с бизнесом между ее ног. Вот, а? Так, то Ганы, то углубиться в тему с девушкой, которая тебе симпатична, спросить про ее любимые дисциплины. Сказать, что это мило и проще, чем настоящие профильные дисциплины, как математика и физика. Похвалить ее за выбор тяжелых предметов. Обвинить их в материалистичности, предположить, что мир был бы лучше без денег, начать петь. Так. Бихорен, то хос болан гуд семеннан, набру кухан баряннары кайыкка каддары.
It's cool that you girls did business stuff. You know, I had a wise, very, very wise Brazilian jiu-jitsu teacher. You know, it's like this martial arts. And he told me, he says, listen, Hichad, I met many women and every woman, she has business between her legs and she just need to use it. So, so how do you apply your business learning
so
to...
rude, you know?
It's kind of true, right? Like if a girl wants something, I want a drink tonight, so here, I'll show you some.
Of course not.
Tonight I want a
We
free
can
dinner.
buy our drinks ourselves. We don't need anyone.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, you bought these?
Yeah.
Come on. You need to use the business between your legs. Hanato, he told me this. Very wise Brazilian jiu-jitsu guy.
I don't know. Maybe he works in Brazil.
He works everywhere, babe.
I don't know. I haven't checked.
And what about you? You use it?
No,
No?
no, let's go.
Oh, you're holding
Yeah.
hands. That's so
Let's go.
sweet.
Yeah.
I like that.
Really?
Yeah. Can I hold your hand?
No.
Можно мне поддержать тебя за руку, Дим? Ваша
Although
поеватор
this
была.
is very wise and very powerful, I think it's more of a conversation to have with your guy friends, and definitely not for girls that you've just met, especially nice sweet ones like these. Why not be a nice guy?
Так, и Ник Бобатн-то блядь, углубиться в тему с девушкой, которая тебе симпатична, спросить про ее любимые дисциплины. Олата бирка, как ты сказать, это? Киска что-то скатер на борду тень, пеп. Сказать, что это мило и проще, чем настоящая профильная дисциплина, как математика и физика. Обвинить их в материалистичности, предположить, что мир был бы лучше без денег, начать петь.
Business? Oh, that's so disappointing. Don't you think we should live in a world like where money's not important and everyone just helps each other and is nice and shares? And,
What are you talking about?
yeah, why are we wasting money this bloody dress and I'm going to do my
Bloody?
hair and
It's alright.
hair straighteners?
You're wearing the suit as well.
This is from a charity shop.
So, do you think you got this for free? This drink, I mean?
I know I got it for free. It was just sitting on the bar. Someone just drank some and left. Because you shouldn't
don't
waste.
even know what's in here.
That's rule number 52. Do not waste things. Like your dinner, you know, you leave it and it goes in the
You
trash.
don't even know what's in there.
It tastes like whiskey coke.
Yeah,
smells
but
like
maybe
whiskey
someone's
coke.
poisoning you.
Why would they do that? Come on.
I don't know. Don't ask me. I have no idea.
Anyway, look, it's all about the philosophy of it. And I think John Lennon had the right idea. Imagine all the people living happy without money.
Oh, he said
Imagine all the
He did
people,
say so.
blonde girl in blue dress with guy called Richard. Imagine all the people don't need money, just
no.
need love.
Okay, stop singing. You're
Brilliant singer.
no. I was just gonna
Wonderful.
say something opposite.
Oh, tell me, be honest. That's my other principle, number
You're
47.
not John Lennon at all, you know.
When you're not Yoko Ono, but we make what we can with life, you know?
Well, I'm satisfied with myself, you know. I'm fine.
We can go to Japan. We can try.
Go to Japan. You know how much?
Not really.
Yeah.
They cost money, fuck, don't they?
Yeah, so maybe you should just go do some stuff to make some money and then come up to the girls. How does that sound?
I need
Yeah.
money, don't I? John Lennon had money.
Yeah.
He did, right?
It's easy
Beatles.
to say stuff like this, but when you don't have money, you can't afford the life.
Can't afford you?
please. No, you can't. So
How about you? You cheaper?
No.
that's
Same
rude.
price? Maybe buy one, get one free?
Leave.
Go away.
All right, girls. Look, okay. Well, look, it was lovely to speak to you, and maybe see you at karaoke or something.
Может,
Yeah?
увидимся в караоке. Я так и думаю. Караоке лак просто.
Okay, you saw that example, but now go back and try and make the right choice.
Так, короче, каяка. Похвалить ее за выбор, или сказать, что это мило и проще, чем знаешь, профильная дисциплина, как математик. Похвали их,
I like that, you know, because a lot of people, they do like some simple, easy subject, but doing business is
народ,
really
новость
nice.
дня. Адистане перешел в
Yeah, but
тяжелый
it's
вес.
kind of common thing to do in here.
Yeah?
Клиники
What, so you think a lot of girls in this bar study business?
No.
Я был
I
хойстен за второй
think they
титул
study
кисехтара.
Oh, right.
День это
Maybe,
лерте.
I don't know.
Wait, did you do well at university? Got good
Официально
grades?
так он
Yeah,
был
it's fine.
да?
Yeah, it's cool. Well done. You'll notice that in the interactions, we want to balance validation, you know, saying well done, making the girl feel good, with things that are teasy or challenging. And in this case, it's something that they've worked hard on, it's an achievement. So why not say well done, you know, and give them some validation there for that. So how long have you guys known each other?
For so long.
Yeah, 42 years?
No, 7 years. Something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
like that.
didn't, you look very
Cara,
young.
ora.
I'm
Oh, thank
joking.
you. Relief.
And you know what? I would guess that she's like the crazy one, yeah? And I think you're the sensible one. So she's getting drunk and you're like, look, chill, come on, let me get you home. Is that right?
A little bit.
Yeah, sometimes,
Depends.
yeah.
You know, it depends.
Don't be shy.
She can go
And she's the
crazy.
shy one as well. That's cool.
Yeah, she is. A little bit.
Nice. And who's the one who, like, who gives good advice out of you two? Or who's the one who has problems and then who's the one that gives advice?
We're girls. We always have problems.
Of course, yeah.
We're both. Like, I think she's more.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, let's say we're equal kind of.
Так, провести тест лучших подруг, спросить, кто из них лидер в их отношениях. Это не стоит. Попросить поставить подруга ставить вас ненадолго. Посмотреть на девушку, которая тебе нравится, и сказать, что у нее самые прекрасные глаза. Провести тест лучших...
You know, I noticed you from over there.
Oh, yeah?
But, yeah, but when I got closer, I just noticed you have the most amazing eyes.
Oh, that's so sweet. I've never heard that before.
Really? Great.
Actually, I've heard many
Heard.
times. Yep.
Okay. Well, it must be true.
Well, maybe. I don't know.
He gave her a compliment that she's heard a billion times before. Try and think
Yeah,
of something
okay.
original and don't say it too early.
А что не так-то? Почему так? Оставить вас ненадолго, провести тест лучших подруг, что ли, Чана?
And have you two ever done the best friends test? Have you done it? No.
Рано.
Alright, let's do it right now. You ready?
Yeah.
What shampoo do you use? There we go. You don't even need to tell me. You've already passed the best friends test because best friends, they communicate unconsciously. So when you ask people, yeah, if people are very good, you just did it again. So if people are really good friends, they always kind of look and then, you know, give the answer if someone asks them something. And if you weren't good friends, you just answer directly. But it's like you're communicating something. Yeah, there you go. Because just by the way they look in the eyes, you communicate so much.
такое не
Very
гоняет.
Definitely true.
Maybe I would do this kind of test.
Yeah, try it. There you go again.
Yeah. Stop counting.
All right, I'll stop. This will work. It's a famous PUA routine. If you learn it, it's something you can go out and use in the bars and clubs. I've seen it work all over the world, and so you can do it. It's just a routine, so it's a bit, it's a bit lame in some ways to have something prepared. But if you want to guarantee having conversations with girls, then learning a few of these things is a nice way to get your social skills up and get comfortable talking to beautiful women because they are very engaging.
под юбки
What were you doing before you came here?
We went for dinner.
Ah, dinner, nice. Where'd you go? Italian?
Диван диван
Some fast food.
Yeah, like burgers and fries.
Так, рассказать про свой день, сказать, что ты тоже не следишь за фигурой, сказать, что с одной стороны это плохо, но с другой стороны она сует в рот все подряд. Игриво заметить ваши джабы, игриво заметить, что по ним нельзя сказать, что они любят фастфуд, рассказать про то, что вы веган, и попытаться склонить их к веганству. Нет, это... Так, рассказать... Что ты тоже не следишь за фигурой, делата куханныга хүйттен болар, рассказать про свой день нутство болалар бола. Ваши идеи бхалах, игриво заметить, что по ним нельзя бхалах потах джабы, игриво заметить, что по ним нельзя сказать, что они любят фастфуд. Что они любят фастфуд. Бу комплименты. Диген никте так хочу хабаттар бу. Диген никте так катна пахай.
You know what? I do find that a little incongruent. You know, you girls in your nice dresses, looking all fancy, and then you're just like eating burgers.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe it feels a little bit weird, but
It's okay once in a while, though, right?
yeah.
This is perfect. You know, it's something that is very safe to tease about. It's not their, you know, their favorite thing in life. It's something that they know they shouldn't do. So it's a nice thing to tease a girl about.
Так, сфокусироваться на девушке, которая тебе нравится, игнорировать ее подругу. Бусыга. Уделять немного больше внимания девушке, которая тебе нравится. Уделять ровное внимание обеим девушкам. Так. Обеим девушкам, Влади. Кем шанс тахарнам был? Букыз уже бляби пахалах. Букыз ами уже хаддары уже бятын взглядыгар творы мандык. Дикес пар. Отакаратык уже иккенерін уже эпиккалы қолыра заинтересовали. Интерес бар была она. Уделять немного больше внимания девушке, которая тебе нравится. Дигнами болон хэп, гнаман бире явно чаджелаты бит чахыраттен этига. Олихим биеха бу уделять равное внимание обеим девушкам дехка надо. Пока что, в данное время. Он там дели битсагана, инди куду хаддара. Чатугуру булар не бит уделять равное внимание обеим девушкам. Хотя то ну булара, миханавар ну так.
This won't mess things up, but
Не то,
it's
чтобы
not
ты
the best
этим
course
все
of
портишь, но это не лучший ход.
action because you do want
Потому
the
что тебе
girls
нужно
to
дать им
understand
понять,
which one of them
какая из
you
них
like.
тебе нравится.
So what do you chicas like to do in your spare time? How about you, Anya?
I like to dance.
You're a dance? Oh, don't say that about yourself. What did you say?
I like to dance.
Dancing. Yeah, nice. Okay. What else?
And I go to the gym a lot.
All right, cool. And how about you?
Oh, I have so many interests. Watching movies. I'm crazy about TV shows. I'm like a freak. I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
And I also love playing with my dog.
Со своей собакой. Ча болун, бу маннык да бардын. Пока что маннык чугай. Уточнить, имеет ли она в виду под играть секс с собакой? Сказать, что тебе нравятся собачьи бои, джабы. Сказать, что это мило и что люди с домашними животными более заботливые. Сказать, что у тебя есть рыбки. Так. Мин манна бэм колбра таларбар. Бу манна лыкка бынэхэп. Но бу маны джабага просто под шутку деп куду кобан крюхка влади. Сказать, что у тебя есть рыбки, уточнить, имеет ли она в виду под играть секс с собакой. Так, крюхка.
Playing with your dog.
Yeah.
Hey, I saw a video with exactly that title, Playing with My Dog, and it was basically this girl. It wasn't you, right? But she was sitting down, and the dog was there, and the dog really likes honey. So she put some honey.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Oh, gross!
And then you can guess what happens next. So this is what you like to do in your free time?
No, of course not. I train my dog.
Oh, you train it to do that stuff?
No.
Well, you've got to make some videos. There's loads of money in this kind of shit now.
Jerk.
What do you mean? It's a business opportunity, babe.
Oh my god.
Even if it's what you were thinking, you don't need to say it.
Гера, так, бумана текста. Сказать, что это мило, и что люди с домашними животными более заботливые.
But that's interesting, actually, because I was reading this thing, like what was it, in Journal of Psychology or something, and it said that people with pets, and especially dogs, and is it a boy or a girl?
A boy.
Ah, perfect. It said that people with opposite sex pets who really like them, and you said you did, it means they're really caring people in general in life. So, yeah, it's very interesting,
Maybe,
actually.
yeah, that's interesting.
So it's the kind of idea that, you know, you meet someone and then if you find out they really like animals, they have a pet, it means they're, you know, you can trust them and they're probably a good person.
That's interesting.
Cool, hey?
Yeah.
And is it true about her?
Yeah, exactly.
Во, более уже тух сети было.
Whether you love animals or not, it doesn't matter. You have to understand that she does, right? So it's something that you shouldn't turn into a joke, be rude about, or you know, contradict. Why not say something positive about it? And there's an example that you can use all the time because
махтал за донат, чтобы
Listen, can you tell her to just stop talking so much? She's just talking all the time.
Спасибо за донат.
I'm joking. She doesn't really say much. But she's sweet. She seems very sweet.
Yeah, she is.
You're sweet.
Thanks.
Бу короче тух бу манна бонюга эти донаты табыт бим бахаре марик. Бонюга короче хайбыт бата кыгы сатан соблазнять бит ту вохту ден. Короче бу видео тест игра, короче беги короче хататак путна үчөйдүк хатан соблазнять би боллак путна бу гиттергитта желерге бастык путна билбай бери жабарыкка ха пенде куд. Улахан жоннорон юллар деп кудук хеп. Онтон онна бу мандык бу теске петти бит онна бу сепке наамду сыйгы наамду ден кити кайылыр юретеллер. Короче хасын неме повторта ка амбастыгыттан неме көрөр деп кудук, если что. Эркөнү стрим уже питер эркөнү стрим эме хасын таккыга бу YouTube-ка обычно бил стрим болар битер бүттүн кентен ол стрим обработката примерно минки хебитен барамын хасырды угундак буну уже хасырды таккып болууга. Так что так, девушек. Так, Яров, дотронуться под предлогом проверки ее мускула. А так, Кокслан махтал за донат, Улган махтал. Так, дотронуться под предлогом проверки ее мускул. Под предлогом проверки ее мускул спросить, кем они себя видят через 5 лет. А тохта, мен канны бардым, тохта. Спросить, кем они себя видят через 5 лет. Тех кахаб. Гаман под предлогом проверки ее мускул ден. Дядя гаман ваттан кыргытта.
So you say you go to the gym, yeah?
Yeah.
And what about you? You do some
Just
gym?
do some jogging, you know, that's pretty...
Jogging?
Yeah.
Like when you steal someone's wallet and you run away?
That was a good
Аны
one.
кадр холки бу. Ажак кайдак ки.
Okay, wait, let me check your muscles. Oh, that's not bad actually.
Right?
Compare.
No, pretty weak, you know?
Тура хига блин явно.
Woo!
Amazing, yeah? Like a rock.
Right, you want to check it?
Check it, it's hard as diamond. Yeah.
Amazing.
This is always kind of playful and fun. Lots of girls will say they go to the gym and do stuff, and this is a nice transition from there. Allows you to get a little bit physical, and it usually brings out some smiles. So it's something you can try. Well done, it's the right choice. You guys are in pretty good shape, so I think you must do more than jogging. You do some
Я же
sport.
говорил, ты говорил, Коля.
Sometimes I play squash, but not as often as I maybe wish.
Да, здорово, я тоже немного играю.
That's great.
What else? Anything else?
I used to play basketball when I was in college, but yeah, it was a long time ago.
That's cool as well.
Yeah.
You watch
but
the
not
NBA
anymore.
or you don't watch it?
I used to, yeah, I was crazy about it, but yeah, I have my job now and I don't have plenty time, so I don't watch it anymore that often. Yeah.
Так, провести тест клубничные поля, выпендриваться ден короче, джабя, выпендриваться генари. Он там она ехал по ладе. Ду, это каян курюха, ман курюха.
Well, I used to play squash, but you know, I did this tournament and I just destroyed everyone basically. So they actually gave up squash then, because what's the point? It's just
Я
became too
пикапер
easy.
100 уровень.
So then I
Я
started
вернул
running,
в
and I
точку
did the
сайдинг.
marathon,
Но я
you know,
вернул
the
в точку
marathon,
хайер.
yeah. But I like ran, I finished and I was like, where is everyone? And like, waited half hour, they finally came.
You're talking too much, you know.
Alright, you don't like it. I'll talk about something else. I can talk about anything.
About what?
О чем нас тоже
Showing
говорит?
off, you know, it won't get you blown out, but it often makes the girl think, you know, why does he need to tell me this? Why isn't he enough without doing this? That he needs to prove himself. What's he trying to get? You know, so it sends her thinking the wrong thing, stuff that you don't want her to think. If you want to show off, it's best to do it in response to her specifically asking you something, to which you have a cool response.
Когда как
What do you guys do? What about you, Annie?
I have a fashion store.
Oh yeah, selling clothes?
Yeah.
I don't work at the moment.
Unemployed?
Yeah. Yeah.
Так, я безработный где-то. Короче, William Hoch, Bilиэхпит. Короче, тут хух где-то. Он бегем активит. Посоветовать ей нанять подругу для производства одежды, девять. Диби под это корюхка. Попробовать свести ее с твоим другом Каримом, который может быть ее покровителем. Сказать, что это здорово, что она не работает и что ты завидуешь. Вот это имеет чуйку, но все-таки, что она не работает и что ты завидуешь. Типа, чем не миряго курду полалов, да, киня кепсибине. Так, попробовать свести ее с твоим другом Каримом, который может быть ее покровителем. Посоветуй нам подруг для производства одежды. Каримненькими ваши. Доктор, манваттан корюхар каримненькими.
So you're not working. Okay, I've got the perfect solution. I've got a friend, yeah? His name is Karim, and he's a little bit old, you know, like, but still alive. And he's a little bit, you know, like...
Он не говорит.
Chubby's being nice. But anyway, the good thing, and this is very, very good, and it makes up for everything, is that he's very, very rich. And
So what?
Well, have you ever heard of the thing Sugar Daddy? So
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So
I've heard about it, but I'm not interested.
Well, he's looking for a
Thank
girl
you.
just like you.
No.
And we're talking about $3,000 a month.
No, I'm sorry.
And
That's
wait, even better, you just need to fucking like 2 times.
no. Oh, no. Let's
There he
get
is.
out of here. I'm
3,000.
Stop it.
No, $3,000. No.
Нет, Кирит.
Sorry, dude. I tried.
Извини, брат, я
It's just not
пытался.
polite, is it?
Так. Короче, каекка. Она не работает, и что ты завидуешь, посоветуйте ей нанять подругу для производства одежды. Олата хотя бы об этом. Олата? Пахай где-то хуатити передябелем митхая хитака баттаты. Просто буманы букаримненькие не амиспаки дибит. Если он полный, то это для него комплимент индилебит. Посоветовать Ади, тача анваттека.
Well, Anya, why don't you just hire her? She can work for you. Like, can you sew and do all this stuff? Like in the Nike sweatshop?
No, I'm not good at it. I don't think so.
About selling stuff, cleaning
Well,
the
yeah,
shop?
I can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, hire your friends. Come on, you've got to help her out.
No.
Why not?
No, she's useless. She's useless.
No,
Couldn't
I
even
think
clean.
it's
Not for sure. This kind of work.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay. I was only joking. It's actually quite a big deal for her to have this going on in her life. So to make it that silly, it's maybe not the best thing to do. Wouldn't get you blown out, but it's not the best option here. You could have done better. You girls seem really nice, but do you have any bad habits?
No.
Drug abuse?
No.
Cigarettes?
Ciao.
Alcohol. Got you.
Not a bad habit.
Cheers.
No,
No, your
cheers.
liver's very happy with that.
That's all right.
Алкоголь, бабок. Звучит как издевательство. Бета, да? Так, спросить у Ани подруги, хорошая ли Настя девушка, а? Узнать, какая из девушек более распущенная. Узнать, переспит ли она с тобой после пары коктейлей. Так, спросить у Ани подруги, хорошая ли Настя девушка, детка, а? Но просто для прикола узнать, переспит ли она с тобой после пары коктейлей, или узнать, какая из девушек более распущенная. Бомиклюля хост. Табуки, короче, ты галар бы так будет, а? Но просто же можно, они же дают шанс индивиду. Это канды хаюты, бербеклюты. Чем маныгных узнать, переспит ли она с тобой после пары коктейлей, девка. Си, девятер, узнай, какая из девушек более распущенная. Давайте Си. Ну давай.
Girls, I'm just wondering, you know, because like you're more blonde, but then you've got the short dress. So which one of you is sluttier?
Excuse me?
Like, did you fuck more men, or she has? Like she's done anal, but you do everything else. Or...
Why are you saying this?
Well, let's say I just wanted to have sex with the girl immediately. Like that's not the case
You
because I'm
should
looking.
go find another one.
No, I will. But look, let's just hypothetical. Let's just say I wanted to have sex with a girl, get her really drunk and take her home. Like, which one of you would be more?
None.
You, right?
No.
Yeah. That's the way
No.
that means yes, I think. With
No.
you.
No.
No means no, and you should go.
No and go.
Yeah.
Then
No
I
means
stay.
you should go.
Maybe
No,
you go.
I don't think
Maybe we
that's
go
a good
together.
idea. No, that's not a good idea.
No way.
Okay. So basically, you're slutty.
No.
What?
I've got it. Lesbians.
Oh, bingo.
Bingo. Bingo.
Bingo.
Bango.
Yeah,
bongo.
so bye-bye.
Банго, бонго.
Very good to compare girls, ask about different qualities, but not really when it comes down to sluttiness, especially with girls that you've just met. They're actually very sweet.
Бинго, бонго, банго, бобок. Так, брюнетки или блондинку 9. Так, узнать, переспит ли она с тобой после пары коктейлей.
Anya, you have a really honest face. I think you couldn't tell a lie. Yeah? So answer me this. How many drinks did it take for her to fuck, do you think?
Буки, бука да кадак джавол на куракмара.
4?
Impossible.
Five?
Impossible.
Not for you, my friend.
Come on, how many? Just a few more and then she's like, yeah, come to me,
No.
baby.
No.
Useless
Come on.
talk.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, right. Please, don't bother us. Okay?
So she's ready now, she doesn't need any drinks.
Even if I was too drunk,
Yeah, what would we do, babe? It would be good.
I
yeah?
wouldn't have sex with you.
You wouldn't? What would
No.
you do? Blowjob?
Nope. Nothing.
0. Kiss.
Zero.
Touch.
No.
Oh, that's just boring. You girls are boring.
Yeah, okay, fine.
okay.
Maybe the world's most boring girls.
Yeah, could be.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
You won.
Кутурин. Ачаката.
And that was a very good example of just, not saying everything you think.
Так, спросить у Ани подруги, хорошая ли у нас и девушка.
So Anya, I don't know why, but I trust you. You seem very honest. So tell me, is she a good girl?
Yes, she's a nice girl and very intelligent.
Ah,
Oh, thank you.
she's nice. Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, she's a good
friend.
Right.
Instead of directly saying, I like you, a nice way to do it is to bring the friend in and ask questions about the girl you like. I've seen this work all over the world and it's the right choice. Well, that's good that you were honest and told me that.
Actually, I'm honest.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, she has a boyfriend.
She has a boyfriend.
Пахай, Павло. Так, у нее есть парень. Ола-то буки не хау парень, бадда. Спроси, почему тогда она разговаривает с тобой? Это диктовать. Спросить, удовлетворит ли он ее. Сказать, что у девушки не может быть слишком много мужчин. Спросить, собирается ли она за него замуж. Сказать, что она должна быть устала от него и предложить секс с тобой 2 раза в неделю. Ханныра юды джайра талныра. Мастера пикапа. Два раза в неделю. Б. Спросить, собирается ли она за него замуж. Билиэхпит гамба манык хуатан. Билиэхпит на галы, а так мы билиэхпмарам. Бу ее посмаки кадак манык джавол на горихмарам. Что она будет сразу есть билиэхпит.
So you have a boyfriend?
Yep.
Oh, okay. How long you been together?
For like a year?
Well, listen, it must be getting really boring. Wait, he has a job, yeah? 9 to 5?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to be your 2:30 man on every Tuesday and Thursday. I'll come around just,
Если бы не
and then
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, out the back door. Leave no trace. Just, well, you know, just wash the sheets and it's all good.
Why not?
Yeah, babe, you like that idea?
Yeah.
I like
Sure.
it too.
Okay.
What are you doing this Tuesday?
Let's just keep in touch.
2:30, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
It's gonna be brilliant.
Yeah,
You're so lucky.
I'll call you.
Yeah.
Let's go. We have
Call
to
me,
go.
yeah? I'll see you.
Sure. Bye.
Well, you have my number, right? Or don't comport yourself in such a manner.
Так.
So you got a boyfriend, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and it's all good with him? Like, things great?
It's okay. Yeah.
Look, most important, how is it in the bedroom? Because look, how about this? He can be the guy that goes to work, cooks you dinner, all this stuff, and I'll just be the guy that sneaks in and then gets out of there. What do you think of that?
That's a bad idea.
Iya kayak betul
What time does he work? Like 9 to 5?
I'm not telling you this.
I'll be your 2 p.m. man.
No,
Every Tuesday and
no,
Thursday.
Thank you. I'm not that kind of girl.
Come
no.
on, darling, you know how
No,
it is.
no.
A little bit of action, spice things up.
No, why should I?
Настырный kayak
Wow.
udah.
I'm satisfied with everything, so
He
it's alright.
satisfies you in the bedroom.
Yes.
That was wrong.
Так, блин, еще и булокка. Сказать, что у девушки может быть слишком много мужчин, спросить, собирается ли она за него замуж. Собирается ли она за него замуж? Билиэхпит, да?
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, how long you been together?
For like a year?
Oh, that's so sweet. So you're going to get married?
I don't think so. I don't
Oh,
know.
no, that's really bad. So why? What's wrong with him?
I don't know.
Kadar
We just have something.
Yeah, problems?
Yeah.
Unresolvable, interminable problems? But
Yeah,
that's
I think
okay.
so.
I'm sure you still have some nice things in your relationship.
Yeah, of course. That's true.
Excellent, because
Yeah,
this
well,
allows
actually,
you in a smooth way to find out how serious they are in the relationship. Because if they're very, very serious, you want to back off. If they're not so serious, why not keep in touch with the girl, keep her around, and who knows, one day when she's single.
Вот. Б9. Так. Спросить, был бы ли он против вашего общения? Узнать, можешь ли ты победить его в драке? Уйти, потому что у нее есть парень. Так, уйти мы не можем. Будьте крылях валер. Бастан балар берег. То будет. Спросить, был бы ли он против вашего общения? А так, узнать, можешь ли ты победить его в драке? Дина бастан греха.
So your man, is he, I'm kind of thinking, like, is he a tough guy, or do you think I could take him in a fight?
No, he's a tough guy.
Yeah? What
Yeah.
if I went,
No.
no?
No chances.
What about a little elbow?
Well, you can try. You can try.
Headbutt.
We'll just die laughing. You know?
Headbutt, hedgehog. Well, that's good. Well, at least he'd die, and then we could be together.
No.
I win again.
No.
Perfect. But no, I'm sure he's a very nice guy.
Yes.
Nice one would probably work, to be honest, because it's quite funny.
Уйти, потому что у нее есть парень.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Andrew.
Andrew. Well, look, I respect Andrew,
Okay.
and so I'm just not going to talk to you, and
Okay.
I think it's better that way. And if any men come over, you say, look, I'm Andrew's. You need to go.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Thanks.
see ya.
See ya. Bye.
Well, you got out of there. That's one option, but you could have stuck in there. Maybe you could have ended up friends and then dated her when she was single. Maybe you could at least bring her into a social circle because she's probably got lots of other attractive friends. Maybe you could have stuck in there for a bit and then tried to pull the old switcheroo and go for her friends.
Угу. Так, спросить, был бы ли он против вашего общения, девка?
Well, look, I don't want to disrespect your dude, so would he mind us talking?
No.
Like if he was watching us right now and we were like, he would be okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? If we took a selfie and he saw it, it'd be okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, he's kind of chilled, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Not too jealous. This works psychologically because you're taking away her independence. You're saying, well, would he allow you to talk to me? Like, are you allowed to do that? So she's going to want to say, of course I'm allowed. I do what I like. And, you know, our relationship's fine. We don't, you know, I'm allowed to talk to other men. She's not going to want to say, actually, I'm not allowed. And, you know, I shouldn't do it because he controls me and tells me exactly what to do. So it's the right option.
Угу. Так. Узнать их планы на вечер, живут ли они вместе и так далее. Угу. Это что-то. Узнать, целовались ли они, попросить их поцеловаться. Чао. Mana karut bana. Bana karut.
Okay, try this. Put your hand on my knee.
Why?
No, it's fine, just knee. And put your hand on her, like here as well, on her knee. Right, this is the thing. So, like, while you're touching her, just start to touch me, and I can look at you too.
No.
And you can kiss her.
No.
Oh, come on, girls.
No, that's too much, okay? No.
You're not a lesbian.
No, we're
You
not.
look like a lesbian.
Why?
I'm sorry.
No, we're not.
Have that look in your eye, like
We're
you just
100%
like you
straight.
wear a strap on and have sex with women.
No. No, never happened.
Tonight's the night, would you say?
No. No.
Because I think you should try everything once.
Maybe, but not tonight. No.
I can just sit in the cupboard and watch you guys. What about that?
No.
No?
No.
She's finally spoken as to say no. Can you believe it? Alright, well look, you're just, you're very nice girls. That's good. But you're also very boring.
That's
So-
alright.
Maybe think about that.
Yeah, definitely. Sure.
You've probably been thinking that, haven't you, before? You know, you're with two pretty girls. You're like, here we go. Lesbian, threesome, blah, 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 whatever it is. Although you think that, you don't need to vocalize it because it can be very rude, offensive, or at a minimum, just get you blown out.
Ача кадак хевит на котик. Тевет лахи вылах. Ну, все. Узнать их планы на вечер, живут ли они вместе и так
Did you
далее.
make any plans for later? You're going to go carry on the night?
No plans.
Yeah? How about tomorrow? You don't need to wake up because you're, you're not working at the moment.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
do you need to open your shop early in the morning? Or
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I don't really need to do anything, so I can stay out, sleep
Yeah, you can. We need to catch up some beauty sleep.
in. I don't need it.
Мне не нужно.
Exactly. This is an important step. You're finding out important logistics that will tell you how easy it is going to be later in the evening to take one or both of the girls and do something with them.
Так, попытаться получить номера двух девушек. Предложить потусоваться всем вместе и попросить номер. Сказать Насте, что ты хотел бы пригласить ее куда-нибудь заручиться поддержкой ее подруги. Ну тут так, попытаться получить номера двух девушек. Номера двух девушек не очень хороший вариант. Тем более бери Аллах. Предложить потусоваться всем вместе и попросить номер. Пригласить ее куда-нибудь заручиться поддержкой ее подруги. То ли бы, то ли с. Механабар. Тут по манных вариантам Механабар предложить потусоваться всем вместе и попросить номер. Будь всегда нормальный, а? Как бы просто потусоваться девку. Это. Нахаявать то потусоваться день, бки хибитами кадр хоте. Личная хангараль бахпая. Сказать Насте, что ты хотел бы пригласить ее куда-нибудь заручиться поддержкой. Бубгалах, пата. Хотя давай сикных ковлади.
But listen, look, to be honest, I think you're really great girls.
Thanks.
You seem like really good girls and you're nice to talk to and stuff, so we should definitely do something sometime. We could play squash all together.
Oh, yeah?
We could go to a fashion show or something, because, you know, that would be fun.
Oh, yeah,
So,
okay.
why don't you give me your number, and
Okay.
then we can arrange something like to meet all
Oh.
together.
Yeah,
Wow,
sure.
сработало.
Maybe watch movie or something.
Yeah, movies are good.
Here you go.
Now, if there are a couple of girls, why not take their number and suggest just meeting up again? Why do you have to be so fast and choose which one you want, or, you know, try to get that one on a date? They're together right there. Maybe you suggest that you guys can all go hang out again. Maybe you're going to bring your friend, and you can take it a little bit slower, bring these girls into your social circle, and in the end, it probably would work out better in a lot of cases. Okay, well, it's great speaking to you. I'll leave you guys to it.
Okay.
Have a nice time for the rest of the night.
Yeah, have a good night.
See ya.
He seems a real nice guy, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you should go out.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah, cool.
Казанова.
That's
Результаты.
correct. Nice one. It's a cool, funny line. You know, in the bar, ideally, you want to get girls laughing very fast, right? And be more interesting than their boring conversation that they were having before you came. So this is a nice light opener. Again, need to deliver it with a little bit of a smirk and a smile, not seriously, and it will work well most of the time. You'll notice that in the interactions, we want to balance validation, you know, saying...
Так. Маньяк магии. Тугой будет. Егор YouTube как картир. Тугой бобоню. Иракелер онюлер. Соблазнение девушек. Начать разговор с сопенера про то, что подарить младшей сестре. Толкнуть ее бедром. Тверк атака. Невербально привлечь ее внимание. Невербально дело-то? Так, тверк атака. Толкнуть ее бедром. Кадр корюкка бакадак бедротна толкнуть ее бедром. Tadi aku mana kali tak? Ingku lama. Touch.
Little bit risky, can work, can not work. So it's not the safest option, but sometimes it can be okay.
Ütmel tağı cevabı. Так, быстро представиться и продолжать танцевать, начать танцевальный батл с ней, спросить, хочет ли она выпить, спросить, с кем она здесь. Дигне, мен манна, бем, аталарыма бето болдыр, мен кайем это, колура. Быстро представиться и продолжать танцевать. Бор чуй, бу однозначно чуй была. Конечно, мен кадр данан кип мал батаганда кип, тәрәгәбәт, кырдык. Маньяк ос, олин, эмед хәрәктах. Чаболун, начать танцевать батл с ней. Батл с ней. Это бики битин күтемел тақпайды. Когда батл хочет ли она выпить. Бу эмечугай. Спросить, с кем она здесь эмечугай. Давай батл көрек, бу хада кебеленерим бетта. Начать танцевальный батл с ней. Хап-хап-хап.
Not bad, but I think I still won.
It was sad.
What? This is something you can try.
Да, ты можешь попробовать эту штуку, но есть и более надежные варианты. Так что подумай дважды. Если тебе же все же удастся, это прием будет очень круто, но часто это совсем не работает. Почему не работает? Танцевальный батл это как раз еще и бодигне. Белеос без всех так, когда акар предложить сразу выпить акарба, она пивка хандин не полан и кидитеман вино хандин. Так. Но это иногда работает, конечно. Танцевать близко к ней, спросить, что она любит делать в свободное время, уйти лунной походкой. Лунной походкой номер
Moonwalk? Really?
Серьезно? Лунная походка? Танцевать близко к ней. Давай.
If you're just dancing kind of near her, then, you know, she could move away. So you want to escalate a little bit, get a little bit closer.
Угу, заебить о себе. Так, предложить принести ей напиток. Попробовать поцеловать ее. Узнать, хочет ли она присесть, потому что она, возможно, устала танцевать на каблуках. Вот, бэгэп. Но давай попробуем просто попробовать поцеловать ее. Вдруг
Don't you hate this track?
Yeah.
I hate it too.
Whoa. Douchebag.
You skipped a few steps there, and even if you do kiss a girl quickly, you normally go through all of the steps, just fast and smooth.
Билебин, че. Ладно, я знаю. Хочешь ли она, потому что она, возможно...
You must be tired from those heels, and we should... It's so loud as well. Let's go and sit down over there.
Yes, please.
Yeah? Oh?
This is another reason to get off the dance floor, and if you notice, it's not so much of a question, it's more of a suggestion. So it's very easy to say yes to, and you're more likely to get her to agree and go with you.
You did do.
So you really like dancing, eh?
I do. Yeah, very much.
But you seem sober. It's strange. Why are you in the club and you still seem sober?
I can't dance as well if I drink too much.
Alright, well we started now, so...
Yeah, now
It'll be
it's
okay.
okay. No, I'm not standing.
And I think, I saw you on the dance floor, but I think before, did I see you in the smoking area? Was that you?
Yeah, probably. You don't like smoking?
Ты не любишь курить, девочка, а? Сказать, что это плохая привычка и ее стоит бросить, а? А сказать, что ты не любишь курить, бұл динаманы булықтақ бұғынан баран. Табаққын барақ олата типа туата табақсы жабы кыскыны деп бұғын таққар, олата не комплимент, наоборот, куаған. Сказать, что ты не любишь курить, но это ее выбор. Олата мен кейіргәбі күді болалым. Типа мен табақта апын, оттен табақтығын, табең выборын атақ. Баша табақ. Мен табақты бім біле әппін, оны табақ әтіна баға көрәуін ендеп күдік. И ән табақ сыққын кер бар деп күдік. Это қаддар кухан, короче. Сказать, что это не проблема, даже если ты не куришь. Даже если ты не куришь. Чего? Ответить, что ты на кое-чем потяжелее. Я курю дури ендеп бұғап туқ бұғалақта. Маны көрі қаражай баға күлі.
So you smoke and that's cool, yeah? But lots of people smoke. But tell me about, you know, like the harder stuff.
What do you mean?
Well, you know, powders and pills and all of that.
That's not my thing.
No?
No.
You gotta try it, babe. Like, imagine this. Come to my house, have some coke, get some, you know, good vibes going, pull out with a couple E's. Have you ever had sex on ecstasy or magic mushrooms?
No.
You gotta try it. We need more days together then. Wait, have you tried LSD?
No.
What are you doing Saturday, Sunday and Monday? Because I want to book you for 3 days. You're gonna love it.
You're gonna pay me.
No, not pay you. I mean book you, like book your calendar for 3 days. For fun.
No. I'm not into that.
We've got a connection, and when you have drugs, when you have this kind of connection, mind-blowing sex, just trust me, it will be the best 3 days of your life.
That's not a real connection. That's not a thing.
It can only happen with someone you have a real connection with. That's the thing. If you just do it with a stranger, it would be awful. But when you have drugs...
You are a stranger.
Wait, look, in my house I've got the best stuff. The absolute best stuff money can buy. Like,
I don't like this conversation.
Obviously don't tell anyone.
This is inappropriate. I don't know you. This is not okay.
Well, the best way to get to know someone is that connection you have when you're under the influence. So.
I don't want to continue connecting with you.
Babe,
No,
wait, where are you going?
No.
Just take my hand and...
Fuck you.
Winners don't do drugs. Apart from the Olympians that get busted for steroids and stuff. But in general, you shouldn't do drugs. Unless they're legal where you live. Or if you go to Amsterdam. Or don't do drugs.
Так, каяққа. Еще две пятиакар бы сказать, что это не проблема, даже если ты не куришь. Что ты не любишь курить, но это ее выбор. Хотя кайдаки, так наркота. У меня экстази бар. Я кетенге тиник тек анерки булам барың битсе гитер. Мен жеберен атак наркотик бар. Экстази бар. Так, сказать, что ты не любишь курить, но это ее выбор. Мандык тек кабатта.
Well, I don't smoke, but, you know, it's your choice. But I do hope one day you would quit.
I'm working on it.
Yeah?
Working on it. Yeah, I am.
Right.
I know
I'll
it's
help you.
bad.
I'll encourage you by reminding you constantly that No, not really. I just encourage you not to
Well,
distract
thank
you.
you. That would be helpful.
On one hand, you don't want to nag her, and on the other hand, you don't want to tell her it's great if you don't think it is. So this is the correct middle ground, and it's the right choice. Well done. And so you smoke, but do you have any other bad habits, or is that it?
I think it's the only real bad one. I can be messy sometimes if that's a bad habit. I don't chew my nails or anything.
Compulsive gambler, or
No,
I don't know,
not
thief.
yet.
Like, what is it? What's the word for the people that have to steal things? Like there's a technical.
Oh, I don't remember.
You know there
I
is
do.
one though, right?
Necro.
It's like a.
necro something.
That's people that have sex with dead people. Necrophiliac, yeah? No.
that,
and I
I
was
don't
thinking
have that.
narcolepsy, but that's the sleeping one. But there's definitely one for stealing stuff.
There is. So, do you have any bad habits?
Так, а у тебя есть... Джара, а у тебя есть, Тохтир, вредные привычки? У тебя их нет, честный ответ, ты любишь причинять людям боль. Так, это что такое? Томан репетер келдер мега честный ответ. Тохтин это. У тебя есть вредная привычка где-то? У тебя их нет. Не в тему. Ты любишь причинять людям боль. Это вопрос или Хайдахпын? Честный ответ манна болуқта, ха? А так маны хоббан көрікқар бұл қадыр кекс болар да манна болуқтаға, ха? Бұл бастан бұл бастан чепчики тоқтар. Бұл чепчики онтан иран ер. Он би хата баққа жеп, пока что. Хата баққа жеп болды. Болуқтақ мен өйдібінен болар бұғылады. Так что это корень ехпы по, когда это олар. Ты любишь причинять людям боль, день говорю?
Well, since you asked, I mean, I don't think it's bad, but it could sound a little extreme. But I like to inflict pain on people. I like to, when someone does something bad to me or to someone else, then I like to just persecute them.
That's actually very scary.
Bad people.
No.
So it's good in a way.
No.
So maybe it's a good habit.
No, I don't think so.
Well, you'll see. I mean, spend more time with me. I've got some
Probably not.
projects I'm doing now with some people. And
No, I think I need to find my friends.
whoa, are you sure you want to do that and make an enemy of me?
Ведет меня врагом.
She's in trouble now, isn't she? But really, in reality, man should never use his superior strength or whatever to intimidate a girl. Violence has no place, and it's really a bitch move.
Так, честный ответ.
Well, I don't think I have anything too bad, but it depends what you think. So I don't know, like sometimes I might smoke weed. Haven't tried like super hard drugs, but a couple drugs. And aside from that, I don't know, sometimes I can be really harsh with people, a little bit
That's good honesty.
impatient.
Okay.
No, I'm sure I have some bad ones, but nothing super bad. And definitely nothing like a habit that really annoys people.
Okay. It's good.
Excellent. In this case, you want to have some honesty, and sometimes the honesty can be shocking, surprising, but it has an interesting effect on her attraction levels. They're likely to go up. So tell me, do you have any good habits or like healthy stuff you do?
Yeah. I dance a lot.
Yeah?
I like to go hiking. I take my dog and we hike in the mountains a lot.
Oh yeah?
It's great. And let me see. Yoga?
Do you have a dream of like climbing Everest or Kilimanjaro or something like this?
No, it's too cold. Too cold. I like to be warm.
But I have some friends that climb Kilimanjaro and they're just regular people. Like they started in the morning and they got to the top by sunset or
They had help.
nightfall. Yeah, of course, they're guys carrying everything, but
I don't think I would
seems
do
like
it.
it's kind of easy.
No, you
No?
would do it.
I like to think I would. If you put me there, I don't know.
So you hike. What else do you do?
Lots of
We
sports.
bought-
I tried climbing recently. Sometimes I play squash. Used to play tennis. But I guess now I just go to the gym a few times a week, and that's about it.
You go to the gym. Really?
Видео тух, короче, видео обзор тест. Сок болу, ама каян дебиттер. Бары болу, бар быгылагаты. Каддар мен дүбүнен. Урут этохтер. Бар болухта каддарын тенем. Сказать, что она тоже так, что она тоже не выглядит, как будто ходит в тренажерный зал. Ответить, что у тебя и так слишком много внимания от девушек, 6 кубиков будет перебор. Спросить, о чем она вообще говорит, ты постоянно ходишь в тренажерный зал. Спросить, что ты можешь сделать, чтобы выглядеть более мужественно. Сказать, что она тоже не выглядит, как будто ходит в тренажерный зал. Олата хибинне куддуккан девик куддук, да? Что у тебя и так слишком много внимания от девушек, 6 куб будет перебор. Well, money either go did you?
Yeah. What? I look too, what, skinny?
A little.
I don't know. I always thought, what do you think I could do to... You think I need to bulk up and get bigger?
You should lift some weights.
But then
Maybe,
look at my jeans. They wouldn't fit. My
you buy
shirt
new
wouldn't
ones.
fit.
Grow out your beard.
Beard?
Yeah.
Me,
Beards are manly.
macho, yeah.
Yeah. And weights.
And then you'd like me more. But you already like me.
You asked if you would look more manly.
Ah, yeah. But you like more manly in general.
Sure.
Alright. Really? You would ask that of a girl that you're romantically interested in? Not the right time, not the right place, and it kills all the attraction, so no. I'm trying to guess. I mean, when I look at you, I think you're kind of, I don't know, something to do with music. I don't know why I think that, but what did you study at university?
I actually studied dance.
Dance? You studied
I did.
dance?
Yeah.
I didn't know they had that. I know they have like ballet schools and stuff, but you can study...
There's music at the university too. It's an art school. But yes, dance, ballet, jazz, hip-hop.
Yeah, cool.
A lot of things.
Usher.
Yes,
Yeah?
exactly like that. Like we were here.
Nice one. And so that was university, but what's your job now? Are you something
I
a
actually
dancer
own
or
a dance
something?
studio.
Так, у нее своя студия танцев, значит, пара битеп. Очевидно, она обучает стриптизу. Задать больше вопросов, чтобы собрать информацию, построить связь на этом и сделать ей комплимент. Бухгер, б. Сига харбак вопрос итара медик туауда. Ман хайын көрөккара она обучает стриптизде.
Wait a minute. So you were studying dance, and now you've got a dance school, and you're everything to do with dance. So let me guess. Is it like a stripper school, like teaching strippers? You know, like poles and
Are you joking?
how to do that lap dance and all that
Are you
stuff.
serious?
Yeah, because it's big business. Because strippers make a lot of money. They can pay.
Do you think that's flattering?
No, but it's like a business, right? How would
it
you make
is,
more money?
but I'm-
Come on, who'd you teach if not strippers?
No. That's,
Who?
that's
Who'd you
just that's
teach?
rude. That's not nice.
No, it's nothing. What, you don't like
I
strippers?
teach children. No.
My
no.
auntie was a stripper. That's rude that you don't like strippers.
I don't think I want to keep talking to you.
Well, I think maybe you do.
No, I actually really don't. I think
you
it's
do.
better that you fuck off.
Fuck off.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to continue talking to you.
You're like the rudest girl I've ever met. You're definitely a stripper. And I will go very happily.
Ты точно стриптизер что-нибудь?
That was uncalled for, man. Very rude. Should be ashamed of yourself.
Так, Манхаеха, короче, постройся на этом.
You know what? I really like that because it's something entrepreneurial and it's something where you're really doing something you're passionate about,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
So,
it's wonderful.
no, big respect for that. Plus, you know, it's a big risk, and not to be. I don't think it's sexist. I think it's the fact that women don't normally take those risks, like to open their own business and stuff. So it's very, very cool.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been wonderful. I love doing it.
And tell me, who do you teach?
Children.
Yeah, children.
Yeah, I love kids.
Like ballet for little girls.
Ballet
and
for
all that
little
stuff.
girls, like 5.
It's so cute,
Yeah,
actually. When they
5 to 10.
and they actually love it as well.
Yeah, we have a dance at the end of every class, every school period, like every 6 months. We have a dance recital.
Very cool. You have some videos on YouTube of it.
I do.
You have to show me later.
Okay.
Угу, вот это уже
This is
правильно.
undoubtedly a
Это
cool
без
thing
сомнения
about
очень
her,
крутая
so
ее
you
черта,
definitely
поэтому
need to
нужно
connect
обязательно
on it
отметить
and
это и
compliment
сказать
it,
комплимент,
because she's gonna have a
потому
lot
что
to
она
say, a
хочет
lot of
этим
emotions
поделиться,
in
это
there,
вызывает
and you want to be
неположительные
positive.
эмоции, не проигнорируй.
I just noticed you got some tattoos.
Oh.
May I?
Yep.
Карамбаль татуировка-то. Сделать вид, что там написано «Я люблю спать с несколькими мужчинами сразу». Сказать, что ты не любишь татуировки, это не то. Спросить, что это что за идея за ней стоит. Давай, Мадабербек Каранкурха сделать вид, что там написано «Я люблю спать с несколькими мужчинами сразу».
So what's written there? I like to get fucked by a bunch of guys in all
No.
of my...
No,
Oh,
not okay. No, that's not even funny. I don't know if you're trying to be funny, but it's not.
what's wrong? You don't like having sex with loads of men, or what? What about just me? Do you want to tattoo my name?
Unbelievable stuff.
I tell you what, after we do the thing we're gonna do, you're gonna tattoo my name.
No, and you need to go.
On your-
you
I
need
don't know,
to go
somewhere
now.
very visible.
Seriously, fuck you.
What?
Go.
Come on, you got tattoos. You know what that means? It means you're
That means
kinda
nothing.
easy,
That
or-
means nothing. No, fuck you. Go.
All right, keep it down. All right, catch you later. Maybe have some drinks, and I'll catch you later when you're chilled out.
Когда ты остынешь. Кальян едет в волосы.
That was uncalled for, man. Very rude. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Что за идея за ней
This is
стоит?
interesting. You've got like coordinates here. What's that? Is something special there?
It is. I went to Iceland, and those are coordinates from my favorite waterfall from the trip.
Oh, like the
And,
most beautiful place or something.
Yes, and the mountain range is Asia. It was the first mountain range we drove through when we went. So very special.
So the idea is that you had an amazing time and you just look at it and you...
Yeah, it was the adventure of my life, so I wanted it forever.
Nice, I get it. Cool. I was like, what's that? But it makes perfect sense.
Yeah, it's strange.
Cool. If someone has an interesting
Yes,
tattoo, there's usually a story behind it. They're going to be used to telling the story, but then by handling it in the right way, you'll still make them feel good and have a good moment of connection.
So I think that's probably enough about me. What is it that you do?
It's kind of strange, right? So I'm not like an accountant or whatever. So I make videos for YouTube, so
Okay.
I could say I'm like a YouTube professional.
What sort of
Я
videos would
профессиональный
you do?
ютубер.
Different videos like in different subjects, giving advice about health and different
Okay.
things, and then it kind of
Yeah,
makes
you
money
know,
by
reklame.
the advertising, and you know when there's those annoying ads in YouTube.
Yes.
So basically,
That's how you make the
that's
money,
what's
is the
paying
ads.
me, like 1 cent each one or whatever,
Okay.
and it adds up.
Interesting. Well, I did notice that you were very well groomed.
Oh, thank you.
I was hoping you didn't mean that you were into men.
Нет, у меня было много девушек. Так ты гомофобка, это не круто, но я не гей, Дипот. Зло отреагировать, чтобы показать, что ты это не одобряешь и ты обижен. Ответить, ты раскрыла меня, и я супер-ультра-гей, в это время прикасаясь к ней. Спросить у нее, что тебе надо изменить, чтобы выглядеть не как гей. Спросить у нее, что тебе надо изменить, чтобы выглядеть не как гей. Ой, давай. Нет, у меня было много девушек.
What? I'm not gay. I've had lots of girlfriends. Many.
Many.
Yeah.
Are you a player?
Well, I'm more closer to being a player than to being a gay. Definitely had more women than men.
Okay.
Been zero, obviously, to clarify.
Zero men.
To clarify.
0 men, many women.
Yeah, many. I mean, more. Now, although I do get unlimited amounts of girls, it's not something that you need to brag about at every opportunity. You could just quietly get many, many girls, not tell girls that you get many, many girls, but just be confident and know, and not need to tell people, for example, by saying, you get many girls. Don't say it. You know when you date guys or meet guys, I assume you do sometimes, yeah? But is it usually in clubs? Because for me it's definitely not.
No, I try not to.
It's not the best, right?
No, it doesn't always seem like the most honest environment to meet someone.
Yeah. Well, most people going to clubs, they're just looking for something that's not serious, right? That's the
Right.
general thing.
Yeah, or to have fun with their friends
Yeah.
only. Yeah, so I try not to.
But you know what? The good thing, we've met, right? Not long ago, but we're not too drunk. We've managed to find this quiet place for a conversation. So it's maybe, we shouldn't categorize it as the usual awful club thing, right?
Yeah, that's safe.
Так, ты хочешь добавить немного огня между вами. Откинуть ее волосы назад и сказать, что у нее милые маленькие ушки. Неплохой вариант. Сказать, что она тебя заводит, и ты хочешь ее поцеловать. Смотреть на ее рот, когда она говорит, схватить ее за задницу. Схватить ее за задницу, день короче.
To be honest, you know, when I saw you on the dance floor, like one of the first things I noticed was you just got like the most sexy ass, and I just.
Whoa, excuse me? What, you think that's funny? You think that's funny to grab a girl's ass? No, I will break off this arm and then tell me how you'll grab my ass.
Let me go. What the fuck is wrong with you, fucking crazy bitch?
And you're fucking rude,
Psycho.
asshole.
I've actually seen guys get beaten up before touching girls' asses, and you know, it happens. So you don't need to do it. Don't need to do it in a bar. Wait till you've got her in your house and she's ready for it, and she's saying, "Please touch my ass." Then do it.
Так, откинуть ее волос назад и сказать, что у нее милые маленькие ушки. Или сказать, что она тебя заводит, и ты хочешь ее поцеловать. Давайте откинуть ее волос назад и сказать, что у нее милые маленькие ушки.
No, you just got a little bit.
Yeah,
Little bit here.
sure.
Nice hair, by the way.
Thank you.
Cute little ears. Hidden away.
Thank you.
Exactly. So what have you got here? You've got playfulness and a little bit of sexuality, which is the perfect way to escalate things physically.
So I actually didn't ask, but what did you study in school?
Well, to be honest, I didn't go to university, but it's just because I didn't really like school when I was young. I was intelligent, but I was kind of bullied, and kids called me ugly and stuff.
Really?
Yeah, I have no pictures from that time. I hated how I looked, and everyone called me ugly, so it was just unhappy. But it's okay, I'm alright now. But
You're very handsome now.
Так, ты очень симпатичный сейчас, Рэп. Спасибо, у тебя красивые глаза. О, нет, ты на самом деле, но ты на самом деле красивая, самая красивая девушка, которую я видел. Ты еще не видела моей лучшей части. Это очень мило с твоей стороны. А скажите мне что-то, чего я не знаю. У тебя красивые глаза. Это очень мило с твоей стороны. Спасибо, у тебя красивые. Бумана ехала, Лади. Атын хук подтащу вариант.
oh, thank you. And I was going to say, you have really beautiful eyes.
Действительно красивые
Thank
глаза.
you.
You must hear that a lot, but it's true.
Yeah, maybe, but thank you. It's nice.
Not good,
Bye-bye.
because she actually made the first move. She's given you a compliment. That's brilliant. You want to keep that dynamic going as long as possible, where you just say thank you, and you stay polite, and she just keeps saying nice things about you, hoping that she's going to get your approval back. It makes her think about you when you're not together. It makes her work harder for you, show off, do all kinds of things. So you want to keep that dynamic, and you messed up. So yeah, let's have a drink. Cheers, by the way.
Cheers. Nice to meet you.
I know we haven't been talking for long, but to me it's going pretty well so far. So I'm happy I came and talked to you.
Me too.
Предложить пойти к тебе домой. Разрядить атмосферу, разрядить атмосферу, вернувшись к обсуждению повседневных вещей. Зачем? Спросить, встречаешься ли она с кем-нибудь. Уже он спросить, занимается ли она любовью в распределительном шкафу клуба.
Let me ask you something. Are you adventurous, would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like trying things and stuff?
Yes.
Well, I think I am as well. And I just saw that over there's an electrical closet. And I had a little look, and it's actually open. Like everyone forgot to lock it or whatever. So would you say we go over there and, you know, get it on?
What?
Just like go make love in the electrical closet. It's going to be, I mean, how many times have you done that in your life? Something new, right?
You're joking.
No, I think it'd be brilliant. Adventure.
No.
Yeah, come on, it'd be exciting,
it's
babe.
inappropriate.
We're getting on so well.
No.
The perfect end
And this
to
has
a
been really
perfect
nice,
meeting.
but that's just, no. It's inappropriate.
Let's go give it a go. Come on, what's wrong?
I don't want to.
I've been talking to you for how long by now?
Really?
You wouldn't go? Come on.
You think that means I need to sleep with you in the electrical closet because you've
No,
spoken
you
with
need
me?
to. You should want to.
No.
Like, not be honoured, but somewhere closer to
You
that.
are not nearly that charming.
Well, maybe you're just boring. You ever thought of that?
Maybe you're a
boring.
douchebag.
What do you do? Like missionary position and not move like a sack of potatoes? We all love adventurous girls and we all love utility closets, but still, for the first time, most girls would prefer to be in a bed in a house.
Давайте предложим пойти к тебе домой. Или разрядить атмосферу. Атмосферу, вернувшись к обсуждению повседневного кипятя. А когда кипятили ваши. Это битареньги было. Парду. Нинди. Она каян кадок кара? Пойти к тебе домой.
What do you say we just get out of here and go back, go back to my house? Nothing like too crazy, but just more comfortable there to hang out.
No, I think it might be too early to go to your house.
Okay.
Maybe we could go somewhere else?
Yeah, cool. Or we can stay here for a little bit and see what happens.
Okay, I would like that.
No, too soon. I know there's this phrase about striking while the iron is hot, but in this case, it's better to let the tension kind of sit for a while and do it in a very smooth way. Not kind of like, oh, she's kissing me, she's letting me do stuff, I need to take her home right now. Seems a little bit eager, a little bit predatory, a little bit aggressive.
Так, каяка. Манхая предложить идти и поесть где-нибудь у тебя дома. Капте. Сказать, что ты знаешь вместе с музыкой получишь отличным вином твой дом. Предложить автопати у тебя дома. Твои друзья тоже будут, и она может пригласить своих. Минхана бармана. Так. Был вариант еще и предложить уйти поесть где-нибудь. Где-нибудь это дома. Клубка чикта бута воду bu kız. Bolon sep все-таки күлятага күлям баран ачыктан сеп. Хочет ли она уйти к тебе домой? Ох, бу хембир каддара тух. Хебле суга. Автопати у тебя дома. Твои друзья тоже будут, и она может пригласить своих. С музыкой было, это с музыкой получше. Давай с музыкой.
I don't know what you think about this place, but the music's kind of whatever,
not so good.
and drinks not so good either. But I know somewhere with really good music and nice drinks as well.
Maybe not come with you tonight, but give you my number. See you again.
Okay, cool. I'll probably get going soon anyway, but give you my phone. Put your number in there, and I don't know, meet in a few days or something.
Yeah, that would be nice.
You don't want to make the invitation to your house explicit, you want to make it implicit so that she can agree to it without feeling like a slut. Well done.
Обычный парень.
Little bit risky, can work, can not work. So it's not the safest option, but sometimes it can be okay. This is something you can try, but it could be a little bit safer if you try something else. In this case, if you can pull it off, it can work really well, but sometimes it just won't.
Так, қас болды.
If you're just dancing kind of near her, then she can move away. So you want to escalate a little bit, get a little bit closer. This is another reason to get off of the dance floor. And if you notice, it's not so much of a question, it's more of a suggestion. So it's very easy to say yes to, and you're more likely to get her to agree and go with you. On one hand, you don't want to nag her, and on the other hand, you don't want to tell her it's great if you don't think it is. So this is the correct middle ground, and it's the right choice. Excellent. In this case, you want to have some honesty, and sometimes the honesty can be shocking and surprising, but it has an interesting effect on her attraction levels. They're likely to go up. Really?
Эти халык тени истен барамын. Бүгін 2 стрим болды, деген хылы ели барда. Утуйо Канада, ахан барамын. Кине көрüyorum onu tuyo. Негена хастын тоқтақ бұты. Хастын GTA болуқтақ, бандитский стрим. С 14 регионом он на кролик буролун бар стрим олуқтақ бұты. Или, скорее всего, юм болар болы кенегетті. Онатан бұл ағаяқ кекеминен Антолий Гуров тенер хетеме беккеден билага то кихилине ме кызгу онярин хиджабет. Короче, есть планы, но он не ямаджу. Так, баргетер спокойной ночи, еще бадык, это не, мне стюдлери.